Confidence is key. A beautiful straight back, a little twist of your wrists, and a little shimmy shake to relax your whole body. Hi, I'm Shirley Ballas and I'm here with Good Housekeeping, and I'm going to share with you all about my ballroom dancing. My most treasured memory of ballroom dancing is that in 1983 I won the British Open to the World Latin American Championships. 84 I left, gave up for a little while, and it took me all the way till 1996 to win again with a different partner. And that for me truly was the highlight in my dance career. My standout memories from Strictly was when I very first met Craig Revel Horwood when I went for the interview, and he, let me tell you, put me through my paces. It is like going to Disneyland. It's an amazing, amazing show. Rose and Giovanni are the performance that I will forever remember until the day I'm not here anymore. I thought Rose's performance on Strictly Come Dancing was second to none. She was absolutely phenomenal in every single way, and I'll hold her performances very, very close to my heart. I've had a few things that have gone wrong in my career. I remember dancing the All England Championships many moons ago, and they had not sewed my panties properly into my dress, and the elastic went, and there it was all on show, and I had to continue with the cha-cha-cha. And I had the same with the strap that came off, and my boobies were right there on show. Oh yes, oh yes, yes. It's true that. The style of dancing I think I would suggest for a beginner would be a little bit of salsa or mambo, or quite a little simple cha-cha-cha, and definitely a waltz. So I think just moving to music every single day and doing a little of any dance is great for you. For any beginners out there, you must always remain confident even if you're not. You must hold your head high, lovely long spine when you're walking into any of your classes. Building confidence is something for the majority of us that comes over time. So when you go into the studio and you learn your cha-cha-cha, your waltz, your samba, whatever you want to learn, you get the steps down first, you listen to the music, maybe dance with your instructor first rather than your partner, and build your skills of confidence. But remember, when you do any kind of performance, confidence is key, and just have a ball. Chemistry and just a beautiful personality is just as important as your technique. Work ethic. Nothing in life is for free. The harder you work, the more successful you are. And that is actually what my mother taught me. And as I went in as a young girl as a dancer, and she just kept reminding me, feet on the ground, work hard, and you will be just fine. In the world of ballroom dancing, which I still have my job in that, training world champions, I mean, they train for years, sometimes from 2 or 3 years old, all the way up until they're fortunate enough to win in their 20s or whatever. Now, the Strictly dancer, they get their partner, and within a short space of time, 2 or 3 days, they have to get their routine together to music in a costume they're not familiar with, in front of 15 million audience on national TV. So my hat goes off to everybody who takes part in Strictly.